Welcome to TheProtoArt. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content. What's up everybody and welcome back to TheProtoArt. So for today, I'm going to be showing you some mastering software. So there's one online called LANDR, or LANDR, left and right, I'm assuming. And it's a algorithm-based mastering software. So you're supposed to be able to drag and drop some music in, and it does its thing. So I have my doubts, as there's no software that can mimic what an actual engineer can do with their ears, and this is based off of algorithms. So I do have some comparisons. First one is going to be the unmixed track versus one I've had mastered by someone else. Then we'll compare to the software and see how it holds up. So let's start. First one's called McLovin. I apologize for the volume.
You say you want my loving, you want it all or nothing. You won't accept no other, I can give you everything. Something new, not the same old thing. Besides body, yeah, she's gotta have brain.
That was the unmixed track. So here's the master track.
You say you want my loving, you want it all or nothing. You won't accept no other, I can give you everything. Something new, not the same old thing. Besides body, yeah, she's gotta have brains. Can hold a combo, boy, I ain't shy, 'cause I can give you everything.
Okay, so let's test this out. So this is the demo that they offer you. You have the desktop version, or you can go on their website. So let's start by dragging and dropping what this tells us to do. So let's find our track. We're going to drag this into the software. And let's see what this does. Alright, so we're just about finished uploading after we dragged the track into the software. And let's see what happens. So you drag your WAV file in, and it tells you to leave some headroom, as you would for any mastering project. Okay, we're now finished. It says we can take a listen. So they have 3 different options apparently. You can listen to the high qualities, the medium quality, and low quality. So listen to the high quality first.
I can give you everything. Something new, not the same old thing. Besides body, yeah, she's gotta have brains. Can hold a combo, boy, I ain't shy, 'cause I can give you everything.
I need an independent hot girl, educated pop girl, hip hop or rock girl, can go anywhere up in this world. Body looking so enticing,
Okay.
can't even front like I don't like it. Other way your body's shapely, I thank God that your mother made you.
I can give you everything. Something new, not the same old thing.
So from what I can tell, they was really add like a
Combo, boy, I ain't shy, 'cause
this limiting going on.
I need an independent hot girl, educated pop girl, hip hop or rock.
Slight expansion. It's a high range in mid-tones.
So enticing, can't even front like I don't like it. Other way your body's shapely, I thank God that your mother made you.
Let's listen to the medium quality.
Something new, not the same old thing. Besides body, yeah, she's gotta have brains. Can hold a combo, boy, I ain't shy, 'cause I can give you
I need
everything.
an independent hot girl, educated pop girl, hip hop or rock girl, can go anywhere up in this.
Gonna be honest, I don't hear a major difference with the exception of volume level.
Like I don't like it. Other way your body's shapely, I thank God that your mother made you.
I can give you I can give you everything. Something new, not the same old thing. Besides body, yeah, she's gotta have brains. Can hold a combo, boy, I ain't shy, 'cause I can give you
I need an
everything.
independent hot.
Okay, so from what I can tell, it doesn't sound like they really did anything as far as the EQing or overall like expansion of the how you're hearing the sound. I mean, they made it a little wider. It doesn't sound colorized. It doesn't sound like there's any warmth to it. They just crushed it and made it louder. So I guess if you're going for loudness, it's a quick and dirty way to do it. And their prices here, they vary depending on what what you're purchasing. So let's go back and exit out of this. Let's start a new track, shall we? Create a master. Wait, okay. How do I create a new master? Let's go back. There we go. So, example 1. Let's try another track, shall we? This one's an R&B track called Used to Be. I have these tracks available too, as well as the album if you do want to download this. It's an old project of mine. I'm giving it away at this point. I don't really do music too much. So listen to the original. Once again, I apologize for volume levels. This is the unmixed track.
You were super bad by the sluggers McLovin. Bad mixed shit, so obsessed with touching. I'm staring at you now, but I don't feel nothing. I just want what we used to have.
Unmixed track. So this was the master track.
You were super bad by the sluggers McLovin. Bad mixed shit, so obsessed with touching. I'm staring at you now, but I don't feel nothing. I just want what we used to have. All the dumb shit I did to amuse you.
So you can hear the grand difference in not only volume, but there's some colorization going on. There's expansion. There is compression, but there's also a widening of your auditory field of view, so to speak. Like you can, it sounds like it's surround. Nothing sounds dead center. It sounds warmer. It just sounds thick and punchy. So let's see what this can do. Now, based off our first comparison, I'm a little skeptical. So we'll see. So this is the used to be mastered according to the software. And I'll speed this up again because it does take a while for it to upload the wave track. So I wanted to take a moment to kind of show you, while this is loading, what dynamic range is. Essentially, when you're mastering, you want to create enough variety in the highs and lows and the peaks and valleys to give you some vibrance, some life to your sound. When you're mastering like this, all it's doing essentially is crushing down your highs and your lows, so everything looks bricked off. It's almost a solid line there. There's no waveforms, there's no variety in it. So when you're mastering, you want to have some life to it. So if you listen to modern day masters, everything's just bricked off. It's loud, but there's no life to it. And if you have it done by someone who knows what they're doing, versus this machine, you can still get the same level of loudness, but also have some life to your mix. I just wanted to visually show you what that is. All right. Okay, we are just about done uploading this track. Now it's going to do its thing. And while it's still preparing, to me it just sounds like someone slapped on a maximizer on a track and it just made it louder without creating too much distortion. But I mean, you can hear the difference. So once again, I'm very skeptical this is actually going to be anything worth purchasing. Honestly, if you want something done really quickly, I guess go for it. But so far, I'm not impressed. Let's continue. Okay, so our track is finished uploading. Let's take a listen. Now, to be fair, let's compare with the mastered version from someone else. Go to the chorus. I'll match up the song. If that doesn't speak for itself, I don't know what will. Like, you can hear how hollow this version sounds. There's no life to it. Yeah, that's like night and day, guys. And again, here's the original track. So we're at what, close to 2 minutes and 16 seconds. That's the original track. Here's the mastered version done by someone. And here's the master track done by this software. I'm sorry, I try to have an open mind, and I was hopeful that this would be okay, but it's pretty bad. Like I said, it sounds like someone threw maximizer. I'm sorry, I can't talk. A maximizer on the track and just made it louder, but didn't really focus on frequencies or any expansion. Man, it doesn't. It just sounds hollow and thin and lifeless. So if you want something for a cheaper price, you're kind of getting what you pay for. Shoot. Yeah, I wish I had more positive feedback to give. I mean, if you don't want to spend the time and money to pay someone, it's like getting a tattoo done cheaply. It looks bad. And if you're paying, you kind of get what you pay for. Wow. All right, guys. Hopefully this will help some of you guys make that decision. If you want to test out this software, I'll put a link to this below, as well as links to other videos similar to this content. If you want to see more videos like this with me testing out other software, let me know. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Be safe out there, guys.